How to change my name on a U.S. passport. If you want to change your name on a U.S. passport, the process depends on when your current passport was issued. If your passport was issued less than 1 year ago, you can request a name change using Form DS-5504, name change, data correction, and limited passport book replacement. This process is free of charge. You must include your current passport, a certified document proving your legal name change, such as a marriage certificate, court order, or divorce decree, and one new passport photo. You can mail everything to the address listed on the DS-5504 form, which varies based on your location. If your passport was issued more than 1 year ago, you must use Form DS-82, Renewal Application for a Passport by Mail. To be eligible for this method, your passport must be undamaged, issued when you were at least 16 years old, and issued within the past 15 years. You'll need to include your current passport, a certified name change document, one new passport photo, and payment for the renewal fee, typically $130 for a passport book. Mail your application to the address provided on the DS-82 form. If your passport is too old, lost, or doesn't qualify for renewal by mail, you must apply in person using Form DS-11, Application for a U.S. passport. You'll need to bring proof of U.S. citizenship, a government-issued photo ID, ideally showing your new name, a certified name change document, one new passport photo, and the required fees. You can submit your application at a passport acceptance facility, such as a post office or courthouse. Acceptable proof of a legal name change includes a certified marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Make sure the documents you submit are certified copies, not photocopies. If your name change is recent, wait until you have the official certified document before applying. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about the latest videos.